Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to-go channel for the latest job updates, career tips, and future job scopes as well. So, in today's, we have got something huge for you, which is a job opportunity from the American Express. So, basically, American Express, which is one of the world's most respected financial brand, is hiring a data analyst in Gurugram for their SEO and digital analytics team. So, if you are into SQL, Python, SEO analytics, KPIs, dashboarding, and strategic thinking, then this opportunity could be your golden ticket into a hybrid, high impact data role with a Fortune 500 company. So stay with me as I will be break down the job responsibilities, like what the job is all about, required skill sets, what makes American Express stand out, and how you can apply. And also, I would be giving some tips to stand out as a candidate. Before we get into that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for the notes for three important job opportunities daily, and turn on the bell icon so you that never miss out any wonderful opportunity from our end. So now let's dive into the detail. So as you can see, the job is of for analyst in data analytics, and it is based out of Gurugram locations, and it's a full-time hybrid model work opportunity. So you will be working with the enterprise digital and data solution team, the digital backbone of Amex, focused on innovation, digitalizations, and smart analytics. Specifically, you will be supporting the SEO analytics side of their platform analytics team. So your mission will be to help improve customer engagement and digital product experience by delivering highly actionable, data-driven insights. So now let's understand the key responsibilities that you'll be performing as once you join American Express as analyst. So let's go over here. So your responsibilities will be something like it will sound like something like leading a high performance team delivering analytical solutions. You'll also collaborate with SEO, marketing, product, and tech teams to optimize platforms, defining and monitoring product KPIs, analyzing digital activities and product performances. Along with that, you'll also be involved into supporting feature development with data, using Amex closed loop data to drive decisions, crafting compelling data stories, and presenting insights with tools like PowerPoint. Along with that, will also be involved into driving SEO performance improvements and optimize digital marketing platforms. So essentially, you will be turning complex data set into insights that directly influence strategy, decision, and user experience. So this was all about the kind of responsibilities that you will be performing once you join American Express as analyst. So now let's understand the qualification required for this role. So yes, qualification required for this role, they have mentioned everything over here. So you must be a graduate or postgraduate in engineering with economics, statistics, business, or computer science or a related field. Plus, you should be proficient in SQL or good grasp of Python and the machine learning models. Experience working with big data platforms, familiarity with digital tracking tools, Adobe Analytics, so Omniture BI reporting expertise using tools like Power BI, plus ability to work with large data set and synthesize actionable insights. Soft skills also required like strong communication skill, analytical thinking skill, strategic mindset, and ability to lead and collaborate cross functionality. So this is all about going to be your kind of skill sets required for this particular role. Now let's understand why one should choose American Express. So here's what it makes different from other company. Recognized for inclusive leadership and innovations, competitive salaries with performance-based bonuses, medical, dental, vision benefits, mental health and wellness support, paid parental leave as well, plus training and mentorship and support programs that you would be getting. Along with that, you'll also get career development programs and work flexibility, that hybrid and work from home opportunities as well. So these are the kind of perks and benefits you would be getting once you join American Express as data analytics or an analyst. So this was all about that, and yeah, that's it. You will be working as strategic product optimization, impacting millions of users worldwide at American Express. And so don't wait, apply today, and the link for the same I have mentioned in description. Go check it out and apply as soon as possible because it might expire anytime soon. So apply before it expires. And as always, here's how you can support our mission to help learners become earners. So you can just like this video, comment your questions, and I will reply to everyone. I will try my best to reply to everyone as much as possible. Just share this video with your friends or groups looking for analytics role. Subscribe to Forge Onwards for job alerts, resume tips, interview guidance, and other kind of support that you might need in your search of great career path. And also full beginner to pro data analytics training course is coming on our other channel, which is Force Tech. So you do subscribe to that channel. We have mentioned a direct link the link in description. Do check it out and subscribe to that channel as well. And also you can join our Telegram and WhatsApp communities for free certification courses through Udemy, daily job alerts, personalized resume feedbacks, mentoring, and all those links are mentioned in description. Go and check it out once before applying. And yeah, this was all about this wonderful opportunity. I will wish you all the best for these applications. And yeah, that's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next video.